Hi, this is Kristen from Upcycle My Stuff. I'm going to show you how you can add a DIY toy box seat cushion to a blanket box or existing toy box. So the first thing you need to do is detach the lid. So this works best with a sort of wooden box with a hinged top where you can just sort of unscrew those screws that are holding the lid in place on top of the box. Next, what you need to do is find a piece of foam. Mine was about 5 centimeters thick, I think, between 4 and 5 centimeters thick. I didn't have one piece that fit, so I cut several different pieces and attached them together. So you could try that. To attach the foam to the toy box lid, I used a spray glue, and I can put the link in the description just to hold it down in place. So obviously be careful because you can't take that off after very easily. Next, find some fabric to fit. I am a sucker for buying fabric remnants, other people's offcuts, and I got this cute bust print that somebody else didn't want anymore off of eBay, so it was pretty cheap. Next, I used a staple gun just to fold over the edges, get it really tight over that foam, and staple it in place. I also used an upholstery hammer just to make sure those staples were in good and tight. Next, this is kind of optional, but since this is a kid's toy box, I use some sticky back felt just to cover those staples to protect little hands so they don't get scraped if they're going in and out of the toy box. And lastly, of course, I screwed back on the lid for the toy box and put all the junk back inside. Not junk, the toys that they like to play with, obviously. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's super cute. And it goes with sort of the other things that are in the room. And my son loves it. He was just shouting, "Car, car," when he got on top of it. If you like this video and projects like it, please subscribe to my channel, click the bell to get notified, and hopefully I'll see you again soon.